Hi Enzo.
Hi Daddy.
What are you gonna do today?
Today we're gonna make a volcano.
Wow, that's so nice. Shall we check what's inside this box?
Yeah. Let's check what's inside the box.
Now what do you have?
This is a cup.
Okay, what else?
This is a volcano.
Volcano mode. This is where we're gonna make the volcano.
Yeah. And this is a painting kit.
A painting kit. So we are going to paint the volcano, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what else do you have?
We have a volcano blaster.
Volcano plaster. So do we need to mold the volcano using this plaster?
Yeah, so there's a volcano blaster.
Okay, what else do you have with that? That's good.
So we have some crystals.
The crystals. Okay, that's nice.
And I don't know what they're for yet. And I have more crystals in here and a gold bar. Let me show
Yeah,
you.
can you show us what's inside the box?
Yeah, look. This is a big crystal.
Wow, that's a big crystal. What else do you have in the box?
Look. This is a small crystal.
Okay, a small crystal. What else?
And this is a gold bar.
A gold bar. Wow.
And I can't believe my dream came true with this gold bar.
Nice. Okay. Are you ready to start molding the volcano?
Yes, let me just close this, okay?
Okay. So what do you need to make the volcano?
We need a bowl of water, and we need the volcano blaster, and we need the volcano mold.
The volcano mold. Yes. Let's put together the volcano mold now. Then we stir the volcano plaster, right?
Yes, let's do it now.
What are you gonna do now?
We're gonna put the volcano together.
Yeah, let's try to put it together then.
Okay. So this goes here, and then this goes here. That is there.
Yeah, now we need that rubber arm to hold the mold together, right?
Yeah.
Great. Is the volcano molder ready?
Yes.
We done it?
Yes.
Yeah, so what's gonna do next now?
Now we're gonna put the volcano blaster in the bowl, and now we're gonna mix it.
We're gonna mix it to make the volcano, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it then.
Yeah.
What you gonna do now?
We're gonna mix the blaster.
Yeah, let's mix the plaster now with the water.
Yeah. Now we need to stir it.
Yeah, we need to stir it and then mix it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's pour a little bit more. It's looking good. Let's stir it.
Yeah.
And then you keep mixing. The plaster is looking good.
Yeah, it is.
The plaster now looks ready. What are you gonna do now?
We're gonna put the plaster in the mold.
Put the plaster into the mold. Okay, let's do it now. It seems cool.
Yeah.
Is it filling up?
Yeah. Look, it's filling up.
It's filling up.
Yeah. It nearly filled.
Yeah, it's looking good. We're nearly there. Carry on. Keep going. It looks like the plaster is ready now. So how long do we have to wait now?
We need to wait for 30 minutes and then it'll be dry.
We'll be dry in 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's wait then.
Now the volcano's done, let's take it out.
Need to turn upside down. Yeah, pull out the mold. Wow, look. Wow, that's a nice volcano. Can you show us?
Yeah.
That's really good. I liked it a lot. So what are you gonna do now?
We're gonna paint it.
Yeah, we need to paint it. Where's the painting? So you got the painting kit? Yeah, let's pull out the brush.
Okay.
And you need the painting.
Yeah.
What color do you have?
Black.
So we need the black. So we have black. Where's the black?
Here.
What else? We have
Red.
yeah, the color red.
Yes. Let me change it. Here we go.
And the yellow.
Yeah.
Let's paint the volcano now.
Yeah.
What color are we gonna start?
We're gonna start with black.
Yeah, let's use the black now.
Yes.
Now we got the brush and spread it. Yeah, look at that. That's so nice. So we're painting the volcano with the black color.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're painting black there.
Yeah, and it needs to go on the out section because we're gonna put some red and yellow on the path.
Wow, it's looking good.
Yeah. We're nearly done with the black.
Yeah, we're nearly done with the black.
Yeah,
Good stuff.
I just need to paint the top.
Paint to the top. Okay, it looks good.
We done the paint now, so we done the black. Now we can paint another color.
There, let's use the other colors now. Let's do it. Now the red. Yeah, looking good. Now let's spread it with the brusher.
Yeah. Look guys, I'm nearly finished. I just need some more painting and then I'm finished.
Yeah, this is one section of the volcano.
Yeah.
How it's looking?
Good. I just need 2 more sections, so I finished the first.
Yeah, we're nearly done in one section.
Look guys, we finished painting. Look. Does it look nice?
Yeah, it does look nice for me. It looks really good for me.
Me too. Look guys, now we're ready to make a volcano eruption.
Yeah, that's time to make the lava. So
Yeah, so we need a chemical thing, but I don't know what that is.
that's called powder.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, let's pour the powder into the volcano.
Yeah.
So we need 2 spoons.
Yes. So
1,
2.
2, maybe a little bit more. 1 more. Try a full one now. A little bit more, maybe.
Nice.
Yeah, let's fill up a little bit more. Just pour 1 more.
1 more.
Okay. Now we need the water.
Yeah.
Let's rub the water.
Okay.
Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa! Look at that!
Whoa!
It's erupted.
Yeah.
Try a little bit more. Whoa! Look at that!
Let's make the lava one more time.
Wow! It's coming. Yeah, pour the water. Pour more water. A little bit more. Whoa! Look at that! It's coming.
Yeah.
That's the real lava.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit more water. Yeah, pour the water. Whoa! Look at
It's
that.
actually hot.
That's nice. Is it hot?
Real lava is very hot.
Nice.
Thank thanks for watching our video, guys. I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to our video. Bye.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, you guys. See you next video.
Yeah, bye.